I'm going to try and create a video of this getting started tutorial. The option that's, there we go, on this PowerPoint, this bit here. Okay, so I've opened the tutorial up. Remember, I can grab a tab, click on it and grab it off to the side to move it out of it or put it back on. So I've arranged my screen so I've got my tutorial on the right, disappearing off at the side so I can see what I need to see. Let me just click that to the side, click that to the side. So I've split my screen. If I go to the middle, I can now drag over and I can make this one a little bit narrower and this one a little bit wider. First instruction is to create a new file. These are files I've already drawn, so here I can create a new file. Wait patiently and it opens. It says set the page size, so at the bottom, top here, I need to click on pages, and at the bottom are my page settings. I'm just going to choose an A4 sheet of paper just by default. Okay, once the page size is in it, we can begin creating. So now it says add text to a page. If you remember from the exercise we did the other day, we can click on here and click on the screen, and there is my text. I'm literally going to type in the same thing. Stop waiting. Start creating, and I've left it there. Click the middle of the board and type. Hit enter when you're done. I'm immediately typing using the single line, which has no bounds. So I've clicked enter to do that, and then I can click on the screen. If I click on the thing now to adjust the text, here we go. I can change font sizes here. So I can start to make it bigger. I can choose a different text. Orbitron looks rather nice. I can choose justification, and I'm going to make it centered like they have. They've said font size 72. So I could click and type in 72. I can move it around the page if I need to. They've chosen the Josephine fonts. Should we go for that one? Moves fairly quickly, so where are we? Josephine's. Oh, missed it. Oh, I don't know. We'll leave it like that. All the fonts have different types of weight, but finishing up by setting the line height to 140% and the alignment to center. Resize the text box so it is centered within the text. We've done that. Then align the text box to the center using the snap lines tool in the top left thing. Here we go. Snapping the grid. It's the grid. And then there we go. Can you see that two blue lines going through the center, and I can click it there like the animation. Right, next we need to add a rectangular background to the text. Move on to the rectangle tool, create 4 rectangles behind the lines of text. So I'm going to click it and drag it there. Click on the board and try to highlight the file. Stop by dragging the text down. With the rectangle selected, you may notice the overlay tools floating on top of it. Flip, send to back. The second of the overlay tools, there's right sentence, so I can send it to the back so it's behind my text, and then I can move it till it's in front of there. Bring the rectangle behind the box. Done that. Copy the rectangle, so Control C on the keyboard, Control V. Oh, clicked on the wrong thing there. Oh, I'm going to have to send that just going to move mine in front of it. Move this so it's back in the middle. And I'm just copying and pasting the boxes, moving them where I want them. You'll notice that in front of the text, so I need to send them to the back, or send this to the front. There we go. So I've sent everything, text to the front, boxes to the back. I need to upload an image. If you remember, that was from there. I hope you've got some sensible images on there. Mine's gone straight into pictures. Let's choose a blurred crowd and open that. When an image is uploaded, a temporarily blurred version will appear first. Don't worry, behind the scenes it's working hard. Once it's been uploaded, we need to send that all the way to the back. There we go. So I've got, keep clicking on that until I've got everything behind there. And then I need to adjust the image. So for me, I'm going to stretch it so it's on my page. Add a filter button. In addition, the image background, so add filter button. Where would that be? Color. So, ignore those ones. So I've added an image, I click on it and change it to colour, I click on the colour and I can change the colour, I can change the opacity, so I start to have my picture coming all the way through or not. Let's brighten it up a bit, go yellow, and then click on the screen when I've finished. I've adjusted my colours. And I can export my page. File setting, pixels, file name, started, and then I can save it as a file. So that saves it to the program, and if you remember, this one exports it. You can download it to your own. There we go. I can download that into my downloads folder, save it, and there will be a copy. If I want to be able to look at it, I might need to save it as a PNG. Download that one. Save it. And then I'll be able to look at it. So if I go back, once that's finished, show in folder. There we go. And there it is. That's the one I've just created.